sir. I am R. Siddharth. I am grade 5 at Wisdom Nursery and Primary School, Arakonam. Today I am tell about electric generator. The basic operation of crank generator is based on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Now I explain the electric generator. This is a crank. This is a rotor. This rotor is surrounded by coil of conductive wires, and as it spins, it moves through a magnetic field, and the LED light and the street light are connected to the rotor. When a crank is manually rotated, it activates a rotor inside the generator. The motion of magnetic field induced an electric current in the coil, thus generating electrical energy. The degree of electricity produced is generally proportional to the speed of the crank piston. Thank you.